My name is Nupur Kundu, and I'm been painting for more than 25 years now. I have also been a technically trained Indian classical dancer in the form of Kathak from Jaipur Gharana. I've always felt that the training that I got in the Indian classical dance has helped me grow as a painter. The rhythm that I learned in the Indian classical dance, if you've ever seen it, there's a lot of footwork, rhythm, music. I enjoy a lot of color on my canvas, and my hand moves almost like, a rhythmic play of colors in the technique of impasto painting, which is actually paint applied quickly on the surface of the canvas. My forms creep in from the nature, and I work in a lot of layers, and the forms come out from below as I etch out from my palette knives, some of the dentistry instruments that I use, my nail filer, some sharp tools. Tagore, as everybody knows, the maestro from India, West Bengal, and nature. I think it's beautifully done up how artists are inspired in the lack of nature here in the Nami Islands. I thought it was very inspiring for me. So I was inspired by the colors here of the Korean flag as well as the Indian flag, and more so by the interaction between us artists of Koreans and Indians. And I have titled my work, The River of Love.
I'm Anjum Khan and I'm from New Delhi, India, and working as a freelancer artist. My technique is, I do layers and I do figurative paintings mostly on women issues, and I put women in my paintings. I always connect myself with the river, so I put myself in the painting, not exactly myself, but I just think about my experience. Most important thing, I think, in the whole world, the water is same. Anywhere in Korea, India, America, anywhere. So my girl is touching the water and feeling it, that if I am in India, the water is like this, and how much cold, how much warm. So how is Korea's water?
मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ। भारत के जो मध्य भारत में स्थित है छत्तीसगढ़ स्टेट, वहाँ पर मैं हूँ और वहाँ पे टीचिंग करता हूँ, एक कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर हूँ, और एट दैट टाइम मैं वहाँ पे एक कला अकादमी का अध्यक्ष हूँ। तो वो भी काफ़ी खूबसूरत जगह है, जंगल है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो देखने को मिला अलग लैंडस्केप है, तो बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है। अब पेंटिंग में हम अपने को जानने के लिए, खुद को जानने के लिए वो करते हैं, और सराउंडिंग फॉर्म के साथ, कलर के साथ, टेक्सचर के साथ प्ले, और वो चीज ऑटोमेटिक बनते जाता है। ये मेरा तरीका है काम करने का। यस, मेनी टाइम चेंजेस। यहाँ पर मैं 5-6 दिन से, ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में हमेशा चेंज होते रहता है काम। कई बार इस टेक्सचर के लिए हमको फिर ऊपर से कुछ लगाना पड़ता है, बहुत तरीके से इसको, कि ये टेक्सचर पहले वर्क का है, फिर तीसरे दिन हमने जो किया, फिर लाइंस और ये ब्लूज, तो काफी चेंज होते रहता है काम। जनरली यहाँ पर मेरे को ब्लू कलर इतने अच्छे लगे, बहुत कम ब्लू मैं यूज करता था, बट इस सराउंडिंग में देख के मैंने पेंटिंग में ब्लू का प्रयोग किया, और ब्लू रंग से एक सराउंडिंग, जैसे चारों तरफ पानी है, ब्लू, और फिर पोएटिक एक कविता टैगोर जी की, और उसका वो जोड़ के मैं एक काम किया, और नामी आइलैंड का एक एटमॉस्फेयर को क्रिएट किया। ये काम मैं कैनवास के ऊपर पेपर, कोरियन पेपर जो मुझे अच्छा लगा, सो मैं एक लाइन फोर्स, पानी का जो फोर्स है ब्लू कलर का, इसको मैं एक प्रयास किया हूँ। और ये टेक्सचर से यहाँ पर जो पेड़ का, पौधों का और एवरीथिंग, मतलब वो सराउंडिंग को कैच किया हूँ। बेसिकली नदी का ये फॉर्म है, रिफ्लेक्शन है वो चीज, और ये जस्ट नामी आइलैंड का एक व्यू है और फिर रिफ्लेक्शन है।
My name is Laisha Meena. I am from Northeast India. I'm a freelance painter. My theme is like childhood memory. So I work with the inner child and my childhood memories with my sister, with my cousin. That memory we can't go back. But in life, that childhood memory is the best time, like very innocent, very pure. When you grow up, like people getting polluted, you have a lot of responsibility, lots of things to do. So you can't be you. Now you become a very diplomatic also maybe. But childhood time, you're just you, very pure, innocent. So I remember the time and I paint that one in canvas. River, like mountain, there's nature. Everything's connected, even human being, Without human being, there's like no mountain, but with the mountain, like that's why we survive. Everything is connected. So like I especially make like connected with the childhood when you have innocence and all the rivers and the mountain. It's connection of the nature. Yeah, I paint like two kids. One is Korean, one is Indian. And this Korean is doing a namaste. This is like why we greet people in India. So I put in a Korean kid, and that's like a sign of love of the Korean, very like popular one. So I put it in the Indian kit because it connection and bonding between this like India and Korea, And I put the Nami Island, little bit of mountain, rivers, lake, because I told you like it's a nature. We use nature. It's a connection of like bonding, love, so many things. So this is a kind of Nami Island and the bonding of India and Korea and love connection.
My name is Binoy Varghese. I am from India, working as an artist, full-time artist, freelancer at Delhi, India. I always working in acrylic on canvas. I have the concept that I always working with the human problems and the migration or displacement and with the nature. These all are my subjects. Those images they'll click while I'm traveling somewhere. Then I'll incorporate with other so many multiple images from the photocopy, making multiple images. I'll cut a very old technique, cutting and pasting on the top of that. Then I'll make a grid on that. Then I'll transfer to my canvas. Slowly, I'm putting them into the very dramatic land kind of things. That is the way I am working, especially this subject, Tagore and nature river. That is the reason I incorporated the classical dance form with Tagore, because he was also the classical poet and he found Shantiniketan there also. And he is very fond of the dance music. So I incorporated this classical music, classical dance from Kerala that is called Mohiniyattam. Then I incorporate the Nami Island little foliage and everything. I was not feeling to do it in a color because it is complete greenery is here. Then again I am doing a greenery things. I felt I need little bit warm color, so I made it like that.
मेरा नाम जापानी श्याम है। मैं इंडिया मध्य प्रदेश से हूँ। मैं प्रधान कोण पेंटिंग करती हूँ और उसको कंटेम्प्रेरी फॉर्म में चेंज कर रही हूँ। मेरा प्रधान गौण पेंटिंग जो है उसमें बहुत सी कहानियां हैं। मैं कहानियों के ऊपर काम करती हूँ और अपनी मेरी ट्रेडिशनल कुछ कहानियां होती हैं, कुछ रीति रिवाज हैं जिन पे मैं काम करती हूँ और नेचर पे काम करती हूँ। लेकिन यहाँ पे आके मैं सोच के आई थी कि मैं अपनी कहानी से जुड़ी हुई कुछ ऐसी पेंटिंग बनाऊंगी, लेकिन जब मैंने ये आइलैंड देखा तो मुझे इतना सुंदर लगा कि यहीं के एनवायरनमेंट को मैंने अपने पेंटिंग में पेंट कर दिया है। टॉपिक रिवर का है, टैगोर का है। तो टॉपिक जब रिवर का है, जब पानी के बारे में मैंने सुना तो पानी को सोच के मुझे लगता है कि पानी जहाँ है वहाँ जिंदगी है, वहाँ हरियाली है, वहाँ जीवन है। तो पानी लाइफ है। पानी के अंदर भी एक जीवन है और पानी से बाहर भी जीवन है। जहाँ भी पानी होगा वहाँ हमेशा जिंदगी रहेगी। मेरे काम में पूरा या नामी आइलैंड का नेचर बना दिया है मैंने। ये ऑक्टोपस से ही मैंने पूरा ट्री निकाला है और क्योंकि यहाँ पे सीजन के हिसाब से ये पत्ते जो पेड़ों के पत्ते हैं वो उनका कलर चेंज होता है, तो वो कलर चेंज करते हुए मैंने बनाया। और यहाँ पे 2 टाइगर बनाए हैं। तो कोरिया में ये टाइगर का भी कुछ मीनिंग है, ये मुझे थोड़ा बहुत सुनने को मिला था, इसलिए मैंने ये टाइगर बनाया है। और ये जो पिकॉक है ये यहाँ पे भी मैंने देखा है और इंडिया का नेशनल बर्ड है पिकॉक, इसलिए मैंने इसको बनाया है। और ये टेम्पल है, जो कोरिया के टेम्पल इस तरीके के बनते हैं, वो मैंने अपने गोल्ड स्टाइल में बनाने की कोशिश की है इस पेंटिंग में। और पूरा नेचर बनाया क्योंकि यहाँ का नेचर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा।
My name is Tanmay Shamanta. I am from New Delhi, India. I am a painter basically, and I also do make artist books sometimes. I start with myriad texture, color, and then I keep subduing the tones. So there are multiple layers of colors. So what happens that you can see the underneath color. It's like a sedimented rock, or you see the different layers of color that have gathered over the years, and it's like frozen in time. So it has got its own memory of time. And Tagore was a great poet. I mean, the river told him so much about life. So river is something that that any creative person will get inspired from, be it a poet or artist or singer, dancer, anyone, even a philosopher. So it's a constant flow of life, and it teaches us lots. I also have tried to capture the reflection of the nature here, the environment on the river in the twilight. So night is descending, the darkness is descending. The demarcation of sky, land, water become one, and they start to talk to each other. During the day, we watch nature, but at night, nature watches us. This is a map of the island I have used here, which is also like a shape of a boat. Map of Nami. Bird is returning home at the end of the day. So the bird, the wings of the bird, the dark color, it signifies also descending of the night. And here you can see I have tried to create the reflection of twilight sky on the water. I wanted that the environment to guide me and take me, and then at some point maybe I will start a dialogue with my own painting. So I started with empty mind, and then went with the flow.
My name is Kiyomi Talaulika, and I am a painter from Mumbai. Work mostly in acrylics. I use mixed media too. My work is a slow process. I like to work in layers, and I like to work slowly in layers because I think as your thoughts progress, it's like you're trying to put various thoughts down, and each thought counts to eventually reach some kind of a decision. I would say I like to look for what is lyrical. I also like to try to look for hope in different situations. I think what I'm attempting is like a language of the river, wondering what feelings there would be as the water flows or what it faces. And it can be strong, it can be fierce, it can be calming, soothing, it can drown if you are, there's all of that. And how special it was to Tagore and how he identified it to life. I have titled this a water poem. So I wanted the word to also feel fluid. It helped me to make this slight divide, like the earth and the water. At the same time, it is all about the character of water is what I tried to interpret. And then someone asked me why the square shapes. Yeah, I got asked a couple of times about it, and the word just came about balance. And then on this side, it sort of flowed differently. I added the feel with this light blaze and this blue. Then it started trickling, the idea of the water flowing and just a suggestive feeling of a reflection. But I think overall the calmness and the peace around me and the beauty around me, and that's what I have tried to interpret.
First of all, let me explain the method that I have opted for this one. I asked someone to give me some images, photographic images of the Nami Island. After getting those images, I have transferred the image on the canvas. Lately, I have put some ink paper, like rice paper, on those images, so that images were hidden into this by this layers of the papers. And then I wrote the Korean in Korean language and with Korean script, river flowing, retaining the memories, something like that, After that, I again put some paper on that. So all are there in the canvas, but you are not seeing them. Those are hidden already. So why did I do that? Those were my kind of springboard to getting to the journey of this one. It's like first step, second step, third step. After going to 100 step, if the first step was not there, I couldn't reach on the 100th step. So those images, those starting points were very important for me to work on this, to come to this image. It's more of a spiritual thing than the materialistic way, if I see. Because I was talking about river from the very beginning, but in a different form. Not the form it was earlier, it took a different form altogether. Lately, the moon came and the boat. So it was like the river in a moonlit night and the boat. It is actually connecting our childhood with today. So it is a long kind of time that is, in a way, gets into it. And I titled it as Moon Washed. Even after finishing that, I found a fantastic poem by Tagore, which fits out so much that I couldn't even believe that. I mean, how could that be possible? It fits so well with my work.